So checkpoint 4 on page 754 is 2x equals 9 plus 3y, and 4y equals 8 minus 3x. Yep, so I need to manipulate these a little bit before I can get opposites. Before I do anything, I'm going to subtract 3y on the top, and I'm going to get this. And I'm going to add 3x on the bottom. And that's going to give me this, because now these can be a little bit more easily manipulated so that I don't have opposites, but I can generate them. So I will multiply the top by 3, and I will multiply the bottom by -2, and that's going to give me a 6x here and a -6x here, and that's going to make my simplification, my addition method work. So this becomes 6x minus 9y equals 27. -6x minus 8y equals -16. And then because I have these equations on top of each other with opposites, I can combine them using my addition method. These cancel. -9 and -8 is -17. And 27 minus 16 is going to be 11. So that means y is going to equal -11/17, which is kind of a tricky number, but it's not super complicated as long as you remember that you have a calculator to do the work for you. -11/17. So all I'm going to do to get x in this case, because that's my y value, is I'm going to store that number on my calculator as y, alpha y, and then I'm going to plug it in here to figure out what x is. 2x equals 9 plus 3 times -11/17. I'm going to do all this math again, trusting my calculator to do it for me. 9 plus 3 parentheses 11/17. 9 plus 3y. Okay, let's try that one more time. 3y. It gives me 120/17. Divide that by 2, and I get 60/17. And now, just to make sure that that's the right answer, you should store that as x, store that as y, and type it into your calculator for both equations to make sure it works. I'm pretty confident that it does. If I type in 2x, I get 120/17. If I type in 9 plus 3y, I get